Hey guys, this is my Moto Edge 40 Neo and the display is badly damaged. Today I'm going to replace it and bring this phone back to life. Let's start the repair. Here I'm using an opener blade to open the phone's back panel and will apply glue remover liquid to loosen the adhesive. I've used Tampat back paper inside it. You can use it too. Now we'll remove all the screws step by step. Here I'm protecting the camera so that no dust particles go inside. Here I'll install the new display and check the touch and brightness. Then I'll clean the frame and properly fit the display. The frame is already cleaned. Now I'll apply display glue inside the frame. While applying the glue, I'll use a very small amount at the bottom side so it doesn't stick to the display lens. Keep this in mind. After that, we'll carefully fit the display. The display is now fitted, guys. Now I'll assemble the phone again and close it properly. After that, I'll show you the final results. You can see, guys, the phone is fully assembled now and working perfectly. Let me know in the comments how it looks. And if you want to learn more phone repair tips, don't forget to subscribe.